Learning how to protect yourself in a tornado is very important. In this video, we are going to talk about how to protect yourself when you are at home and there's a tornado warning. When a tornado warning occurs, remember the word duck. The word duck is going to help you remember the steps to protecting yourself during a tornado. The D in duck stands for go down to the lowest level. If your house has a basement, go there. If your house has no basement, go to a closet or somewhere without windows on the lowest level. The U in duck stands for get under something. Make sure to get under something very sturdy like a table so you are safe. The C in duck stands for cover your head. This step is very important because you need to protect your head and neck. During a bad storm, heavy or sharp objects can fly through the air. The K in duck stands for keep inside even after the storm. You should make sure to stay inside because there could be dangerous things like fires, and there could still be dangerous lightning. Once again, D, go down to the lowest level. U, get under something sturdy. C, cover your head. And K, keep inside even after the storm. Follow these 4 steps and you'll be safe during bad weather.